doing?
Trying to take pictures of me, Jeff.
I'm taking a video of everybody. Oh crap, I can't.
That's a good video.
Almost got it.
I was going for Selena, I guess. Okay, aim first. What the heck? I'm off a little bit. Let me...
Nope.
What the heck? I got the... My wrist is... Here, Alex, come on, get it. This is a marshmallow toss.
Let me hold the bag.
You got a hole in your finger.
Oh, what the shit?
I can't even get one.
Just sit there with your mouth open.
Come on, Alex.
There's a piece of a marshmallow. Looks like a little sperm.
Damn it.
It's right there. Bring it down your shirt.
Oh, it did go down my shirt. Oh, it did.